factory carbon fiber interior with diamond stitched seats are just a couple of reasons this vehicle is incredible. We are proud to offer this amazing 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE AMG 63S on behalf of one of our dear clients. It has custom blackout stickers on nearly all the chrome, as well as tinted windows and headlamps, all new tires, alignment, and recent service. Plus, it has virtually every desirable option box checked. Call Big Tom at 619-904-1578 or visit exclusiveautos.com. Unleash your inner beast with this 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE AMG 63S. The 2022 63S is not just an SUV, it's a statement. A powerful, luxurious statement that announces your arrival with a thunderous roar and head-turning presence. Ready to experience the thrill of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE AMG 63S? Call, chat, or text us today.